Hello everyone. Today we will be going over the Reverse Flash figure replica of the Flash TV show. Now, I will not be opening this. This is limited edition Reverse Flash from it's the Reverse Flash 112 action figure from the Flash Fastest Man Alive collection. Obviously, it's from DC. The Flash symbol's up there. Here's a digital. Whoa! Sorry, I'm a little sick, but shouldn't stop me from making this video. So let's look at over here. It says on the side the same thing that it says on the front. Now it says Reverse Flash. Comes with the proton thing, the emblem. It has 27 points of articulation. It's a realistic cloth fabric figure display stand, hand parts, lightning effects. There's 4 lightning effects and a tachyon device, which is that thing. Tachyon device is that thing. Now, so right now I will be opening this, but I will be selling it. Tomorrow I will be selling this. I will be opening, but I will be selling this tomorrow. Comment down below. Comment down below how much you think this might be worth. I'm not telling you. If you're closest, then you're a great guesser. I cannot really send people things, but if I can, I will be selling this at my house, not anywhere else, not in the mail, not anywhere else, just at my house, and hopefully someone picks it up and takes it, because I am looking to make some moolah, and this is a great device. Well, not really. What am I saying? This thing is like priceless. Yep. This thing's like priceless, but not priceless. You get what I mean? It's expensive. I'm saying it's very expensive. In New York, it is $80 at least, $80. But in America here, it is worth at least like 20, 30, or $40. But in New York, it's worth 80. But I think it's 100 in New Zealand. I don't know how much it is in New Zealand at all. All I know is I got this from New York. It's $80 in New York. I don't know how much it is in Connecticut, but well, whatever. So let's flip it to this side. There's a latch. It opens from. It's hard with one hand holding my phone with this hand because, frankly, I do not have a camera. So it makes it a lot harder to film videos. I'm trying to get a camera for you guys. But my parents are making it very difficult because I have the list right here. It says what I need. It says 1 new laptop, 2 new camera. That's it. And that's all I need. So, and this does come with it, but this came extra. I don't know why. I found this at the bottom of the package when I bought it. I did open it before, so let's just put that over there for now. Yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, got it. I got it. Okay. Lift this up. Okay. Now what we're gonna do? Flip it back to this side. Okay, I got it out. Okay, so I got everything out. I gotta say, it is very unwell packaged. Everything literally just fell out. It is very unwell packaged. Very well unpackaged. I can say that for sure. It is very well unpackaged. And why did I buy this piece of crap? Now you're gonna be wondering, why did I buy this piece of crap? Now I bought it because I thought it would make a great video, and well, it was expensive, so I thought it would come in a great package. But no, I was wrong. It literally fell, all of it fell out. So that's why I am going to sell this. I'm going to sell this to anyone who wants it. I'm going to sell this to anyone who actually wants it. But until then, I'm going to have to deal with it. So I'm going to put everything back in the package like it was. And I never had this, because I never wanted this crap in the first place. I just thought it would make a great idea for a video. Let me just put everything back in the box. Hold on. One second. I'm putting everything back in the box. This is very difficult. Making a video for you guys, it's difficult because I can't get everything in its place, so it's kind of difficult to get what I want, especially. But I'm trying to get as much as I can to you guys. But the people who sent me this is a piece of crap. Now, why am I calling that a piece of crap? Well, first of all, they gave me a bad case. They gave me the first time I bought this, they gave me a faulty case, a faulty figure. I check every time I go to New York. Every time I go to New York, one time I got scammed, and I literally had to go to New York. I literally went to New York, and I almost bought a faulty character, because sometimes New York City people scam other people because they have great items, so they scam the people so they can get that money, and once they get the money, they don't care about anything else. They just care about themselves and the money. Now, why am I telling you this? It's just something I'm telling you about. If you buy something, always check what it is first. Now, make sure it's well packaged. Make sure it's not what I have here, because they gave me a faulty package. It does not work whatsoever. Trust me, I've packaged this thing over 1 million times, and it just makes it a whole lot more difficult for me to package this. Okay, so like I was saying, my phone dropped. Sorry, guys. My phone dropped. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. They gave me a faulty package, and now I have to fix it. Alright, here we go. I fixed it. Finally. So now, I'm gonna sell it to anyone who wants it, because I'm tired with this. I'm tired with all of this. And the person who I sell this to, I hope you have a good experience with packages like these. And I hope you have a good time with this character. Now, be careful with the character, because one time for me, it fell apart for me. One time it fell apart. One time the foot of the character fell apart, and I had to re-acknowledge it, and oh my god, I am very, 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 very retarded. Okay. Let's shit out of the package. Hold on. Sorry for the cussing. I'm mad because they gave me a faulty character. And not what I wanted. I wanted a perfectly good Reverse Flash character from the CW show. And what did they give me? Crap. They gave me crap. See, this is why you gotta check your packages. The reason why I'm telling you to check your packages is because people scam other people. Like, for New York, for instance, they scam you all the time. They mostly scam you all the time. They scam, if you're wondering, like, I've never been to New York, and why do you say you've never been to New York? Well, actually, yes, I have. Where do you think I bought this from? What place do you think I bought this from? And, like I was saying, you are probably saying, oh, Robert, you probably never... How do you know how New York people would scam other people? You've never been in New York City. I'm like, I have actually. I have been in New York, and yes, I am right. They do scam you like this right now. They're scamming me right now. So like I was saying, for the person who knows how to handle with these, I hope you have a good experience with these. I have not, because this thing has fell apart for me like millions and millions and millions of times. And I am very, very tired of it. So, yeah. Let me just like I was saying, I mean, like, it is a good character, but they did scam me. Because when I was in New York City when they gave it to me, and what happened in New York was when I was trying to retrieve it, it actually they scammed me because I was trying to find something that I thought was nice and cool, and they have a bunch of nice and cool stuff in New York City, so I was like, oh, maybe this will look really nice and cool. So I bought it, and I feel like it was a waste of my money, because, well, it fell apart, it's falling apart millions and millions of times. Probably no one's going to want to buy it now because I just told you it falls apart. But other than the falling apart, I like it though. See, I like it, but I don't like it. Because, alright. Plus, I need a car. Okay, so I have a keychain here. Okay, see, I'm running out of things to say, okay? Don't judge me. Okay, so, I hate the character, but I like it. I like the quality of the character, but they freaking... They took my money. They took the money. Alright, so that's the end of this review for the Reverse Flash thing. I do kind of hate it, but it's annoying at the same time. Yeah, I like it, I hate it, and it's annoying. Alright, I'm signing off. Alright, I'll probably be getting a new computer and a camera. Alright, peace.